welcome to the June Happy Hour Kit, and today in this segment we're going to be making the Blushing Breeze. Once again, this drink can be made with either tequila or with rum to make it either a daiquiri or margarita. We did the other two as margaritas, so this one we're going to do as a daiquiri. It is up to you what you want to do with yours. I'm just showcasing the different possibilities. By the way, any of these drinks can be either blended or shaken, and they're delicious either way. In fact, when you have all the ice and everything in here, you can literally just pour it into the blender and it'll give you just enough for your drink. Pro tip. First thing we do is we're going to rim our glass. I'm actually going to make this drink completely in the glass. A little bit different, but just also to show you guys that you don't really need a cocktail shaker. So very first thing we're going to do is rim the glass. So we're going to take a lemon, and we're going to go all the way around the top of our glass. Nice and wet. We're going to put it into our sugar lemon rim. Just rim there. I'm actually going to be building it directly in the glass, and I'm going to be capping it and just shaking it directly in the glass. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to put ice. Fill this up. I'm going to put in 2 ounces of rum. You do not have to use a Bacardi. It's just what I happen to have. A white rum is going to be a little more neutral. An amber and a dark are going to give you a little bit more of their own flavor. It's up to you what you want to go with. So I'm going to go with white rum and give 2 ounces. Next, we're going to take our watermelon syrup. We're going to use 2 ounces of this syrup. We're going to take our lemon, and I'm going to cut in about half directly into the glass. And last but not least, we'll put in the mint. You're just going to take a couple off and put them directly in. Because I'm shaking it, I don't really want to do too much to it beforehand. Mint can get bitter very easily. Like if you're muddling it, you always want to use the soft end of the muddler, not the part with teeth, because if it becomes bruised, it can leave a very bitter taste. So this would literally just be to give it the beautiful aroma, the freshness, hence the Breeze name. And then I'm actually just going to put the lid on and shake it. Now we've shaken this up. I actually might have a bit more ice. The more ice you have, by the way, the stronger drink you have and the less diluted it will become. I know a lot of people think the opposite, but the more ice your drink has, the colder it stays, and the less it'll melt. So, unless you take forever to drink your drink. So it actually creates a stronger drink the more ice you have. So yeah, and that's it. The rim is still there. It's a little bit melted, but it's still there now. And yeah. Oh my god. And this is what I want on a hot summer day. Like, that's, Oh, the watermelon, the mint, the refreshing, the lemon. It's what I want on a hot summer day. Like, I would easily just lock this up and take this to a park or something, like, or even keep it in a thermos. It'll stay nice and cold. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.